Hello and welcome to this video. I'll be showing you in this video how to get royalty-free music. That is music you can use on your YouTube channel, you can use on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, and elsewhere without incurring any copyright strikes. So go to Pixabay, and I'll come here. And I want to go to music. Now, if I look at this music, if I'll play it here, now you see this particular items, this icon. This one says content ID is a digital fingerprint developed by Google. It can be used by content creators to easily identify and manage copyrighted content on YouTube. And this one says editor's choice. And this particular one, I have no idea what that is. Now you see you have these icons by quite a number of them. When you see this icon here, it means this can be used. It has been granted permission to be used by the creator on YouTube and on other platforms. We can come to discover more on YouTube and other platforms without you incurring any copyright strikes. Now, you can also filter music here by, let's say, a genre. If you're looking for, let's say, jazz, I could search here for jazz. And then it's going to say traditional jazz. I will apply. Then I'll see all traditional jazz music. I can play this one. So I can use this one on YouTube. And then the mood, let's see, dreamy mood, I could apply. And it's going to filter. You see coffee jazz podcast. I could play this and see. You can hear that there. This one says it's featured. And then this particular one outstanding. Now, if you don't see this particular sign by any music here, then it's best you don't use it. Or you could write to the creator and ask for permission for them to whitelist your YouTube channel. And then this particular one shows that it's generated by artificial intelligence. So let's try to download this particular one. I'll click on download, and you see it gives you this download license. Only those with this icon here will give you the download license, the certificate. So make sure it's being downloaded right now. You see it's 18 megabytes long. Make sure to download this license certificate. And you need to sign into your account before you can download the license certificate. I'm going to sign in right now. Now that I signed in, I'm going to see here, if I open this, this is the license. And it says this document confirms the download of an audio file pursuant to the content license as defined by Pixabay terms of service. So you are going to have to copy all of this. If you get a copyright strike, you are going to have to copy all of this and submit it to Google. It says Pixabay license certificate. You submit it to YouTube and they're going to enter you into an arbitration and the copyright strike is going to be removed. But all things being equal, you downloading this particular one, you shouldn't have a copyright strike. But if it appears, if it happens that you get a copyright strike, just submit this to their arbitration and your channel will be reviewed and the copyright strike is going to be removed. So in a nutshell, that's how to download copyright-free music for free on Pixabay. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. God bless you. Peace.